Heyo, it's Kathy, the plant-based lady. I am so happy to be back. It is Wednesday night and I have my cup of coffee. I am staying up all night to prepare for my 3 12-hour shifts overnight tomorrow starting tomorrow night. So, I am cooking, I am making talk of the town tacos, baby. This is what we're doing tonight. Absolutely. So, if you are returning to my channel, I love you so much and I thank you so much for supporting me. And if you are new to my channel, please get the hell in here and like, subscribe, and definitely come and hang out with us on a regular basis. Okay. It's a blast. We have a lot of fun cooking some really cool stuff, and I'm really happy that you are here too. Okay, so we're gonna make talk of the town tacos. Okay, let me have some coffee. mm. Oh, if you're new to whole food, plant based diet, lifestyle, habit, whatever, you don't really know exactly what the hell that is and what that means. At the end of this video, I'm going to share with you exactly how you can learn exactly what a whole food, plant based diet really is. Okay, I'm hugging you. Okay, so what we got here, I have a wok. Okay, I have a wok. Me loves me wok. Me wok rocks. So me loves my wok, and so I'm gonna turn it on. I'm gonna heat it up. So with a wok, you really want to get it as hot as you can, right? Before you start. Woks are kind of funny like that. You yeah, you want to make it as hot as you can to rock that scene with your wok. So now while that's heating out, I want to show you what I have over here. So it's what I did was I got these soy curls, and if you don't know what these are basically, okay, soybeans. They're soybeans. I got these online. I'll leave a link in the description below. And so I got these online. They're soy curls. I didn't know, they're hella cool to work with. They basically are dehydrated soybeans, right? Don't ask me how the hell they get them like this. I have no idea. It's not my house, baby. I don't know how they do it, and I don't care. All I know is they're freaking delicious. Damn delicious. Okay. So anyway, what I did was I rehydrated them, and stand by. I rehydrated them, and in this bowl, right? I just poured some water over them because they're dehydrated, right? So I poured some water over them, and I let them sit for about 10 minutes ish, and to rehydrate, all that good stuff. And then I drain the water out, and then I just put them right back in this bowl, and I have this. So I scored this on Amazon. It's a company that's called Flavor Seed. Holy shit, this shit is freaking amazing. Look at this. This stuff is amazing. It's called Rock Yo Tacos. So all I did was I drained the soy curls and I put them back in the bowl, and then I sprinkled some of this over it, and then I just kind of, here, I'll show you, baby. I just kind of went like this, rocked that scene, just kind of mixed it up a little bit, and you know, so basically, okay, oops, come back up here, baby. So basically, okay, you just add as much of that shit as you want to. It's your house, okay? All right, so now I sliced up an onion, okay? So I sliced up just a regular, onion, right? Yellow onion, I think. And then a couple of yellow bell peppers, a couple of green bell peppers, a couple of red bell peppers, because y'all know I like a lot of food, right? And then I have just a bag of carrots, right? Sliced carrots, whatever. And then I took a couple of handfuls of spinach, baby spinach, And ooh, that pan's starting to smoke. I think it's getting about ready. So we're gonna go ahead and I'm gonna grab I'm gonna grab a little bit of water to add to the pan. Okay, I'll be right back. All right, baby. So even though this is a non-stick wok, right? We still want to add a little bit of water. Here, I'll show you, honey. Can you see that? Okay, so just add a little bit of water to the pan, right? And now we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna add the soy curls, okay? Yes, so good. So damn good. Damn delicious, baby. Woo! Oops, I don't want to use that metal spoon in there, right? So we're just gonna cook that down, turn our heat back up again. Oh, hell yeah. So we're gonna cook that down. Love my wok, baby. Yeah. Woo! Ow! Yes. Yeah, so the heat's getting building back up again. There we go. Oh yeah, look at, doesn't that look like chicken? Looks like chicken, doesn't it? Hell yeah. And it really does taste like it too. And with those spices, oh man, oh, those spices are so good. We're gonna go ahead and add our peppers too, okay? That'll add some good moisture. Hell yeah. Add those peppers, baby. Yes. Ooh, so good. The onions. Yes, please. Am I right? I want to keep mixing it up. Right. And I'm going to add the spinach last, right? Because you know that'll wilt down quite a bit. I'm going to add the carrots in there too. Yes. And you know me, I like as much nutrient content as I can get. Hell yeah. I'm going to go ahead and just mix this up a little bit, right? Mix it up just a little bit. Woo! And then I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to add a little bit more of the spice, right? Yeah. Hell yeah. Ooh, it's damn delicious, son. Ow, 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 ow. And you add as much of that as you want, baby. That's right. Yep. See how that, add a little bit more water. Okay. Just a little bit. Right. Hell yeah. Yeah, buddy. Oh, hell to the yeah. Yes, so good. See? It's all cooking down. All right, so now I have organic potatoes. I'm gonna toss these in there too. This is looking really good. Hell yeah. You see that, baby? That to the mix. Oh, these are gonna be, yes. Add some more of this, right? Hell not, right? Good. try this. I'll leave a link to the spice, this particular, in the description below. Yes. And I'm going to add some more of that spice, baby. Oh, hell yeah. Look at how beautiful this is. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead. Back up here, babe. I'm going to go ahead and add the spinach, right? So what I have is I just have a couple of, well, actually 4 handfuls of spinach, baby spinach. Yours might be 2 handfuls. Your hands might be bigger than mine. So I'm just gonna toss that in there, baby. And I'm gonna add quite a bit because spinach is gonna shrink, right? It's gonna shrink down, and we want to get as much nutritional value into this dish as we can, right? So let's stir this baby up. Hell yeah. Oh yeah, these are good. Yes, these tacos are gonna be slamming. Hell yeah. Oh hell yeah. I like soft tacos. How about you? Do you like soft tacos or do you like crunchy? Crunchy tacos? What kind do you like, honey? Hell yeah. Look at that. Ah, oh, it's beautiful. So good. Yeah, so good. Definitely. And all that water will just soak right up. Yeah, look at that. It's beautiful. Hell yeah. Yeah. All right, so I'm gonna add a little bit more of this seasoning. You know why? Because it's my house, baby. Woo! Oh, hell yeah. Rock your tacos. Rock your tacos, yo. Ow! Yes, please. All right. So, yeah. So, I want to share with you, if you're not really familiar with a whole food plant-based diet and you want to learn more about it, you know, I'm a nurse. I'm a whole food plant-based health and wellness coach. And, well, whole food plant-based health coach, right? And I am also a registered nurse, and I have worked with countless beautiful people that have diabetes, that have heart disease, so they struggle with wonky blood sugars, wonky blood pressures, people that have autoimmune situations going on, like, you know, lupus and, you know, MS and types of stuff like that, and people that have chronic pain. And I can't even begin to tell you, excuse me, my nose is running, stand by. You know, I can't even begin to tell you how beneficial fruits, vegetables, whole grains, nuts, seeds, all that good stuff has all the benefits, awesome benefits, all that good stuff. That's basically a whole food plant-based diet has on the body. It's just so beneficial to all of those conditions. Scientifically proven. I love you so much. So yeah, so that is how you rock that scene, baby. So what I got these at Whole Foods, and they are basically organic corn tortillas. I like them soft, so what I usually do is look at the smoke. It's okay. It's okay. I swear. I didn't turn that off. Um, I like soft tacos. So what I usually do is I just pop these in the microwave for maybe 30 seconds. And then, yeah, hell to the yeah, they're ready to be filled with a taco mix and, any fixings that you like. So um, I usually just get, any salsa that I like, throw that in there with the taco mix, right? And throw any fixings I want, right? Any fixings, because it's my house. What would you add to your tacos, baby? Throw, let me know in the comments below. Please don't leave me hanging. Let me know I'm not here alone. I love you. Um, yeah, so that's pretty much it with the taco scene today. Please don't forget to like, subscribe if you're new to my channel. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and please, for the love of everything that is cool, share this video with the people that you love. I love you so much, and I'll see you soon. Okay, so rewind. I love you so much. So, yeah. So, if you want to learn more about a whole food plant based diet and you're new to the whole scene, then I am going to leave a link in the description below that will help you learn more about exactly what a whole food plant based diet is. I have a free webinar for you to check out. It's just a little webinar. It's maybe 20 minutes long. You can check it out. I talk all about what a whole food plant-based diet really is. So check that out. And yeah, I cannot wait to hang out with you again really, really soon. Thank you so much.